Nah, that's not me. It's the return of the man. I'm still alive, just like you back. Girls in the front, got girls in the back.
Come here, right? Nah, he's alright. He gets a bit excited, that's all. He's got a bad press. But it's not his fault. That kid stuck his nut between his jaw. Come here, you little bastard. Hey, stop pulling on my lead, you prick. I'll bite your fucking head off. Come here, you naughty boy. Nah, he's lovely. Pat him, he won't hurt you. Don't provoke him. Now, that kid had 300 stitches in his nut. Look like proper patchwork quilt he did. Right, I'm out looking for a tachometer and a second-hand petrol pump for my Ford Transit. So, I'll jump in the van and I'll buns through in the back. And then I'll begin heading down this geezer. I know, he's got a garage on Stratford East, just before Romford, before the A25 turns into the A23, which then becomes the A2. So, I meet this geezer. He's a lovely bloke, great guy. We do a very, very good service. Cost you half as much anywhere else. But you don't want to get downwind with him when he's had a chicken vindaloo the night before. Anyway, right, Roy's in the back of the van. I'm talking to this bloke about gearboxes, petrol pumps, all that sexy stuff about cars. When this little kid thinks, the door's unlocked and that prick's inside chatting away. Let's go see what we can't half inch. What up? Roy's out like a fucking greyhound! The kid's head's in a voice! Blood spurting everywhere! The clients all over the van! Right, get that door open, you bastard! Bless him. He's got the jaw of a steel vice. Well, eventually, we had to clobber him round the head with a starting wrench, just to make him let go. Didn't we, Roy? Well, he had a sore head for a couple of days. Bless him. I mean, he didn't like that, did you, my old son? Hey, stop pulling on my lead, or I'll bite your fucking leg off! Have it! Well, eventually, I apologised to the kid's dad. I offered to buy him a pint and a Mars bar for his kid. But he weren't having none of it. He was right choked. But you know what? I says to him, if you're going to be half-inching in the back of a van messing about, you're going to get something you weren't expecting. Am I right? I mean, look at him. He can't help his nature. Am I right? Well, his dad saw the chief of the matter. He was where he shouldn't have been. Roy Roy shat eater. So I got that tachometer and that second-hand petrol pump. But I was still a bit upset because of all that blood messing at the van. So I thought, why don't we go and bowl it down to the pub and sing a few lagers? Oh. So we readied off. I'll tell you something, that petrol pump worked a fucking treat. Roy's in the back, only I locked him up this time. I think so, at least. So, Roy don't like being locked up in the back of the van, do you, Roy? Hey, 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 Go to the fucking pub! Hello, Dan! Hello, Dave! Oh, lagers all round. Plenty of cake here, boo. Oh, grab one of that. It's my shout to sell on a potty TV series about a bunch of potty fucking morons in Aussie land. Dave, got anything for Roy? He's starving. How about some of those pies in that eating cabinet with the glass front? He's been eyeing them up for ages, haven't you, Roy? Well, they've been up there for a year, so bungle's half a dozen. Stay. Nah, don't take the wrappers off, he likes them all brown and crinkly. Here you go, Roy! Oh, look at that! He loves that. He likes the crackling all round. Don't tell him it's Halesowen. He thinks it's bits of crispy bacon. Oh yeah, we'll have some more, Dave. Oh, yeah. Why? Glop, 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 glop. Oh. Well, Arsenal kick shout at Spurs. Right, Dave? They're set to play Millwall, which is just my manner. We're set to watch them next week. Oh, Roy, did you like that? Hey, my little sweetheart, didn't like his little pork pies. Anyway. More lagers! Oh, plenty of cake here, boo. Grab hold of that! Well, that night, I sank 35 pints of fucking lager. I was still a bit upset about Roy. Nah, he's sweet as a nut. He really is. He's just got a bit of temperament. But you want a dog with a bit of temperament, don't ya? Come here, Roy. Come here. Hey, come here. Are you deaf? I said, get the fuck here! Stop, you maggot! You'll bite your fucking arm off!
I used to look like you, but getting up the mess.